Go and say, now you've completed your sweep and you've attained your total trees. You know what species you have here by layer and if there's any forest health conditions. The next thing that you want to do is you want to go and you break your plot into quadrants so that you can determine which trees you're going to be sampling for heights. So again, looking at zero bearing, you want to determine where the zero line is to your 90-degree point. And then you will select the first tree in that sweep clockwise. That's a layer 2 or a layer 1 tree. And that'll be the tree that you take the height on. All right. So somebody has got the little height dicky for the vertex. And someone else will go off and take the vertex and measure the height.
Okay.
And then provide it to the recorder. Yep. That's tree number 1.
Alex has the other part. Oh, look how tall it is.
Once you can just zoom on the vertex.
14.2.
14.2.
Just a little hockey puck.
And now you'll proceed around the plot, taking one tree, if possible, from every quadrant that you do. If a quadrant doesn't have a tree that's suitable in the quadrant, then you will go to the next quadrant and select the second tree to get at least a minimum of 4 height trees per plot. Okay, after you've finished doing your quadrants and your height measurements, the next thing that you want to do is do your well spaced and free growing.
You place blue flagging on your well spaced.
That's right. So
And
now
you look for trees which are 2 meters from each other, which we picked one. We picked that one in the back, and we picked that. We used a little bit of backwards calculation. We wanted to take the big one, so we ended up marking it first, and then we have that tree. This one, a hemlock, and we dropped the white pine because it has blister rust, and we took this fir. So we have how many?
There are 6.
6 in total. Well